Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a Purnia card. So here I've got a A4 size white paper. The first step is to make a house type of shape on the paper. First, fold the paper in half. Just like this. This is a paper and you have to fold it in half. Now open the paper and make a house shape. Just like this. Now do the same on this side. So this is a product. Now fold this side of the paper to this line you got while folding the paper in half. We did it on both the sides, like this. It was like this and we fold it in half like this. Now fold this corner up to this side and do the same with the lower side. So this is what we do. Turn it like this. The blank side should be on your side. Now you have to take this side and fold it in the middle. Do the same with the other one. When you folded the upper corner, you have to take this side and fold it on top of it. Then press it properly. Open it once again and then press it tightly like this. The same with the other side. Now we're going to decorate it. There is plenty of space to write our wishes. So I did the decoration now and I'm going to color it with sketch pens. So guys, I'm done with the decoration. Now I'm going to show you an amazing step. First, take the upper flap and fold it like this. Take the lower flap and fold it. Press it properly and then open it once again. Now take the lower flap, do it like this, and we got this. So take this, close this, take this corner and this corner and fold it inside here, in here, like this, just like this. Okay, I'll show you again. I didn't show you, sorry, but I'll show you. So we take this corner, we have this pocket, and then with this, so that this pocket, open it and like this. Do the same with the other. Open the flap and this. Now there should be no gaps like this. No, it should be flat, completely flat. So just going to press this. Okay, now we are going to decorate this part also. So I've decorated this like this. Happy Holi. And these are some liquid colors. Now we are going to make a pull sign here. So that means if we pull this, the person will be able to see the card. So we are going to make the pull sign. So we got the card ready. We're going to pull it like this. And there we are. It's so nice, right? I hope you like this. Please comment, like and share this video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Bye bye.